10 years of Saima hasn't been more beautiful than this. I have the very beautiful Pearly. I have one question to begin with. Was your name Pearly initially, or did you change it after getting to know that you'll turn this beautiful?
I have to ask my dad because he
Okay.
named me Pearly, and
Okay.
I'm sure he saw my hair and then he thought I
It
can't
should be
name her
Curly Pearly, right?
Curly
Okay.
Pearly. That's what my friends call
Okay.
me. So yeah.
Okay. So Pearly, you've been in the Malayalam industry. We've seen you on screen. Right? Which was your favorite role to play so far? What is your favorite movie or any dream roles that you want to play in the future also?
Like the movie that I did last, Ludo,
Okay.
with Anurag Basu in Hindi. That
Okay.
was my favorite, the best experience
Okay.
ever.
Right.
And it gave me a lot of things to learn,
Uh-huh.
and it was a great experience. So that's
Right.
my favorite film.
I remember Ludo because I watched Ludo while playing Ludo. So, and what kind of roles you want to play, Pearly? Because there's a kind of stereotype that happens when you play certain kind of roles. And Malayalam, you have really strong roles, right?
Yeah.
How do you come and break out of character then?
Basically, just when you love the script and when you want to contribute to the character,
Right.
doesn't matter what the character is.
Uh-huh.
If you think you can fit into that character, if you can convince yourself to become that role, then it's
Right.
easier. Yeah.
Super. So you're from
As
Kerala.
an actor, that's what you're bound to do. Even
Exactly.
if it's a similar role,
Uh-huh.
doesn't matter. For us, acting is what we do, and just give it to your best shot. That's
Super. So you're from Kerala, not very far from Namma Bengaluru.
Yeah. I studied in Bangalore,
Where by the way?
Christ College.
Oh my God! Why are all the actors from Christ in Tamil, Malayalam? I mean, Christ College is like the hub for all the beautiful
Yeah.
Malu people out there.
I think a lot of my friends studied in Christ, so it
Okay.
became like a tradition to go
Okay.
to Christ. So I did my media studies there.
Right. Which is your favorite food in Bengaluru because you've stayed here for so
Oh,
long?
I love Meghna biryani. So the minute
Okay,
I
free
landed
branding.
here, I went and had Meghna
Okay.
special biryani. That's my biryani here. Also the dosas and everything. I love everything here.
Super. Likewise, we Bengalurians love Kerala food and Kerala girls also. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time at Saima.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Looking handsome today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All the best.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೈಮಾ 2022 ನಿನ್ನೆ ಶುಭ್ರಾಯಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಶುಭ್ರವಾಗಿ ವೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶುಭ್ರ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಎನಿ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ and it looks good on you? How is it?
Thank you. That's really kind of you. I think being a model really helps me because then I started with fashion, right? So
Right.
I know a little bit of fashion and hair and makeup and all that. So that really helps me. And
Right.
now, like I knew that the first day I wanted to wear a gown and the second day I wanted to wear Indian and something
Okay,
very
okay,
different.
okay.
So the first day was like pastels and the second day is like red and roses.
Amazing, amazing.
Yes.
So I have some quick questions for you.
Sure.
This is not going to be like the other questions out there, okay?
Okay.
Have you wasted time on unwanted people?
See, I won't call anyone unwanted. I
Okay.
just feel like there are some people who are not a part of my life.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes I'll be like, I've wasted some time, but it's also
Okay.
a learning process, right?
Exactly,
So I don't like to diss anything off and say that that's wrong or they're bad or unwanted. I just feel
Okay,
like everything is a learning.
Okay. My next question is, have you ever been stuck in a lift and, stuck there for hours in any lift?
Not hours, but
Okay.
like 10-15 minutes, yes. And
Okay.
you start feeling
Correct.
really scared. It's like the
Claustrophobic,
worst
yeah.
feelings and worst thoughts will come.
Right.
What if you die here and all that stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, it's happened.
Okay. Have you dated someone shorter than you?
Never.
Never?
Never.
So
I
all
won't.
your, dates are like 6'3", 6'4"?
I mean, I'm 5'11",
Okay.
so they've all been taller than me for sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Have you ever taken a lift or asked a random person for a lift?
Maybe from an award function, someone is there in the car and
Okay.
I just jump into their car and be
Okay.
like, please, like, but not
Okay.
like on the streets.
Okay.
I've not done that. Yeah.
Okay, Shubhra, do you ride bikes?
Yes.
Have you ever got silencer burns?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
When I
mean-
was younger,
Okay.
my friend's father went and sat on his bullet bike,
Okay.
and that it's still there, the burn.
Super,
Yeah, yeah.
super. This was my fun segment with Shubhra, and you look stunning as usual.
Thank you.
I hope you have a great time at Saima.
Thank you.
Thank you so
You
much.
too. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good evening.
You too. You too.